Hey guys, Tyler Hooks here again for AKA Products. We're gonna come to you today with another how-to video. Today we're gonna be using the 2-in-1 handheld tire balancer. We're gonna go ahead and balance a 1/8 scale buggy tire. We've got a super soft long wear double down, all mounted up, ready to go, glued. So we're gonna use the 2-in-1 wheel balancer, which is part number 44006. And we're also going to be using the wheel clay, which is going to be part number 44001C. Both of these you can get from AKA Products. It's actually pretty important in most cases to balance your 1/8 scale buggy and especially 1/8 scale Truggy tires. So we're going to show you guys how to use this, mount this, what to do. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and insert the smaller part in the actual hex section of the wheel. So it's going to kind of snap in there. There it goes. Then you've got both sides. The middle of this spins, so you can't use that to screw this on, but you use the outside. Go ahead and screw it on all the way. And it leaves the inside of the wheel exposed so you can actually put your bouncing clay inside. So what we're going to do, and you can see it with the dots, is we're going to actually spin this a little bit. As you can see, it's kind of wobbling back and forth. You don't need to spin it 30,000 times. It's not really going to do anything. So we're going to kind of let it find center. And what we're going to do is wherever it lays, we're going to put some bouncing clay on the top, on the opposite side, to try to bounce the tire out. All right, so we're going to take our bouncing clay, we're going to put it inside the opposite side of the tire. See how close we can get it balanced on the first try. So we've got our clay inside. Go ahead and spin it again. So it's spinning a little bit slower, but we're gonna need some more clay. We get another piece. We've got our tire still. Gonna put another piece of clay in there. All right, so now we've got two pieces. But as you can see, it's now actually spinning the other direction. So I got a little bit too much clay, so I'm actually going to take my X-Acto knife and cut a little bit of the clay out. Try to do it because it seemed pretty even, so I'm going to try to cut a little bit out on both sides. All right, there we go. So we've got our tire fully balanced. You can see it on each side. It wants to move a little bit right there, but for the most part, it's balanced. So what happens when you actually get this done is when you put it on the car, you don't have that wheel wobble, and especially on a Truggy, you can see it a lot of times where if the tires aren't balanced, you can actually see them move back and forth, but not, in their normal range of motion, but they're actually trying to take the arm with them. And that can take away acceleration. It can make the handling really strange. So overall, the 2-in-1 tire balancing tool is really small. You can throw it in your toolbox. It's a great thing to have, especially when you're working on Truggy tires, but as you can see, it also works on buggy tires. Again, the balancer is going to be part number 44006, and the clay that we use today is going to be part number 44001C. If you have any other videos you would like to see, if there's any information you would like from AKA Products, feel free to leave any comments or hit us up on all of our social medias. We'll leave them down in the description. Thank you for watching, and tune in next time.